Yeah, let me introduce myself. So myself Sagar. I have 7 plus of year experience in IT, and I have experience in React JS, React Native, Angular, Vue.js, and also I have data visualization tools like D3JS, AM charts, high charts kind of thing for the graphical representation of the on the browser. And also I have experience in CI/CD pipeline to making how it will be running, where it's breaking kind of thing. So it is just a YML file. I just need to configure that thing using the Docker, and that Docker file going to the deploy on the server. Basically, for the server side, I have experience in the Vercel, so you can see that my own website. This is my website, which is I have created in a Vercel latest technology, twinline CSS, HTML, CSS, twinline CSS, and also it is a also deploy in a Vercel setup, like Vercel server itself. So of course it is a free of course, so I just deploy over there. So this is the thing, and you can also check my GitHub account where you can see that there is a lots of commit I have been work, and this is the organization which I have been working with. And yeah, like basically I have experience on the TypeScript as well, JavaScript as well, and you can check my repositories which I have worked, so you will get the sample code of the work which I have been working, and how it is working, coding standard, and how I work kind of thing. Basically you can get idea what's going on and what's not. Also regarding the tech stack, I saw your job post where I found that you require a full stack developer. But to be honest, I'm not a full stack developer. So I am a front end developer. So if you give me the chance to working with you, since I'm willing to working with you and your team as well, like it is an interesting project for me. Like because I'm inspired with the that two guys, which is the most I inspire. So that's why I'm willing to work with you. And another thing is like you can consider me the front end developer, so I completely handle your front end application and front end work, like gathering the requirement and analyze the thing, implementation, enhancement, bug fixing, and deploy the things on the respective environment like staging, QA, or development environment, or production environment basically. I also have a work with the agile methodology as well. Like, so you can consider me as we can go with the sprint wise as well. Otherwise, I saw your job post where you require a full time, like also required to sometime it is working on the weekend as well. So of course, I will be available for the daily scrum meeting, which is a 11 a.m. EST time zone, which you required. And another thing is I am also flexible, so it is not like that some kind of emergency production issue and some of the deadlines are there, so of course I need to work on the weekend as well. So I'm flexible with that, so I am willing to work with you that thing as well. Now let's talk about the some tech stack as well, where I have experience on React. For the state management, I have experience in the Redux. Also, I have experience in the Leaflet.js, JavaScript, ES5, ES6, ES7, Babel, Webpack, API integration. Like I also have experience on the graphical QL as well, not the backend side, but on the front end side, which I have experience over there. And also regarding the CSS part, I have experience on the twinline CSS as well. You can consider me as a like 4 plus of year experience on over there in twinline CSS as well. I also use as a UI kit as a material UI and design Chakra UI and Tame UI as well, where it is a list of the UI components and we just need to integrate over there. I hope this is my introduction I'm giving with you. I already mentioned that I'm a front end developer, but I'm willing to work with your team, and you can consider me as a front end developer and giving me one chance to working with you if all goods. And like yeah, of course I will be joining, and I'm also ready to give the long term commitment as well. So you can consider me, of course you can consider me. So my hope is finger crossed, and let's see, looking forward to working with you. So that's it from my side. Thank you.